Hello, my name is Jacob Kempema.
And my name is Wes Judd.
We are going to present to you Math Assignment 10, the triangles of different sizes. The problem we were given was, which triangle is larger? A right triangle with one leg 1 centimeter and the other leg 40 centimeters, or an equilateral triangle with sides of 8 centimeters?
The constraints to the problem are, use the problem-solving process throughout your notes, present a mathematical equation to represent your answer, provide a model of the polygons, and have a brief written up to present to the class based on the scientific method.
Research.
We found some definitions of the things we need to use to solve the problem from www.dictionary.com. The definitions we found are right triangle, a triangle having a right triangle contrasted with an oblique triangle. Equilateral triangle, a three-sided regular polygon. Area, extent, range, or scope. Perimeter, the border or outer boundary of a two-dimensional figure.
We also found some formulas to help us solve the problem. The formulas consist of area and perimeter of a right and equilateral triangles. These formulas are right triangle, perimeter, side plus hypotenuse. Area, base times height times 1/2. Equilateral triangle, perimeter, side plus side. Area, side squared times the square root of 3 divided by 4. We predict that the equilateral triangle will have a larger area and the right triangle will have a larger perimeter. We also quickly found that the definition of larger is not stated. To find the perimeter of the right triangle, we need to use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We found that the hypotenuse is approximately 40.01. We also used the formula base times height times 1/2 to get 20.
For the perimeter of the equilateral triangle, we got 24, and the area for the equilateral triangle we got as 55.42. As you can see, the right triangle has a larger perimeter, and that the equilateral triangle has a larger area.
You also will notice that the models are scaled down by 1/4 to fit on the screen.
Euler proved that the equilateral triangle had a larger area and the right triangle has a larger perimeter, as he did for many other triangles, as shown on this model.
Bill Gates has given a building company a property to build a house that is 43,560 square feet. As the team looked at the property, they noticed that it is 1 acre wide and 6 acres long. Bill Gates also gave us a blueprint of the house he wanted to build. As the team looked at the property and the blueprint, they noticed that the dimensions of the property could not fit this shape of the house, but had room to fit a 43,560 square foot house, just not that shape. The area of Bill Gates' property is 2.96 inches squared and is 1 inch wide and is 6 inches tall. The house Bill Gates wants is 1.4 inches by 1.48 inches.
As you can see, the house can clearly not fit on the property. It is drawn to scale.
In the end, we discovered the following problem is a trick, and that our hypothesis was correct. The problem is a trick because the definition of larger is not stated. For example, area, perimeter, or volume.
Just to refresh your memory, our hypothesis was, we predict that the equilateral triangle will have a larger area and the right triangle will have a larger perimeter.
The Common Core math requirements met are Standard 1, 6.G, Multiple Standards, 6.NS, Standards 1 and 3, 6.EE.
Please leave questions and comments in the YouTube link below the video based on how we did and what you did not understand.
Thanks for watching.